Bonus tip 5. You may have noticed that as I've been going in and out of the very important Edit Color Settings menu, that there has been a really loud and red flag flapping. No, there is no red flag. Well, there is a red flag, but it doesn't look red. In fact, it's hardly a warning at all. Thanks to our friends at Adobe, they've created this horrible warning that should protect me from my color being damaged, but it's hardly a warning at all. Let me show it to you. It's right here. It looks like a piece of broken grayscale pie. What does it mean? You are unsynchronized. What does that mean? Your Creative Cloud applications, what? What? Well, earlier I showed you that when you hover over an item, that down below in that box, that Photoshop will read you the page or the paragraph or the sentence from the manual. So let me hover over that unsynchronized, and while my cursor's over that, let's read. Hey, to synchronize color settings among or across all of your Creative Cloud applications, select color settings in Bridge. Well, that's very interesting. Why is Bridge called Bridge? Because Bridge bridges the gap between all of the rest of the Creative Cloud apps, except one, which we'll learn about in a moment. But it does this, it bridges the gap of color. Why does my color look one way in Adobe Illustrator, and then when I bring it into Photoshop, it doesn't look the same way, or into InDesign, it doesn't look the same way, or when I'm in Bridge or Lightroom, it doesn't look the same way as it does when I'm in Photoshop, right? The color seems to be shifting even on my own workstation, let alone when I send it to a coworker or someone else in our process, in the process of our workflow. Well, this is a big reason why my color is unsynchronized. In fact, to come into the color settings in Photoshop and make a change is not the place you want to make your color settings change. You don't want to come here. Where do I want to go? I want to go to Bridge. So let me show you that. Right now my settings say custom, and I don't know what that is. It's all over the place, but whatever it says, you're unsynchronized. You've got broken pie. I'm just going to say cancel. So instead, I'm going to Bridge. And in Bridge, in exactly the same place with exactly the same keyboard shortcut, color settings, it looks different. But the red flag is redder. It's not a grayscale piece of broken pie, it's a broken piece of colored pie. That makes sense. My color is broken. That's what's going on here. And the piece that's broken out is red, almost like a red flag flapping there, you see? Hey, your Creative Cloud apps are not synchronized for consistent color. If you hit apply here in Bridge, I will synchronize your Creative Cloud color settings. So I can pick what it ought to be and apply. And you didn't notice, but Bridge just synchronized all of my color settings in every Adobe app whose color settings can be synchronized. There's one notable exception, and it's going to shock you. Bridge is allowed to synchronize the color in every app except Lightroom. Lightroom is a rebel. Lightroom does not play well with others. And this is why color printed from Lightroom is ever so problematic. Bridge is the mother of consistent color across the entire Creative Suite, but she's not allowed or can't make Lightroom behave. And in fact, in Lightroom, the only program you have to go into, Lightroom, you have to change your color settings manually there, even if you've set it for everything else, manually there, and you have to set it in Lightroom in 2 places. It's a big reason I use Bridge for my raw edits. Anyway, let's go back and look at the color settings in Photoshop, and look, hey, I set it in Bridge and my color is synchronized to what I chose in Bridge. I'm not going to waste time doing the following, but I'm going to tell you what happens. If I were to open Illustrator right now and look at its edit menu color settings, which it has, they're also set to the same thing. If I were to open InDesign, same thing. if I were to open Acrobat, because I often work on files and then I export them as a PDF, and that PDF looks ridiculously wrong compared to what I was looking at. Hello, thank you, Bridge. Thank you, Bridge. We apply color settings with Bridge for consistent color throughout Adobe's Creative Suite.